I'd be standing on the shoulder. That's what I'd be doing.
Classic fight between bird and dog. I think the dog will win, even though she's blind.
Well, I think Terence should be smart enough not to challenge puppy poop.
Well, he's not.
What?
Bird and dog. Yeah, I am. She didn't even know where she's going because she can't see. She is roaming.
Yep.
She was following me around, little girl.
I'm the one who gave her bacon.
Oh, you're admitting that on video, you know.
I don't care.
Then you're in trouble. Now where are you going? Sassy, no. Miss Sassy. Sassy dog. Come here. Come here, Sassy. Yup. I have to go get your phone.